And we continue to share about the ingredients of unity. I hope you're not going to miss one single of these ingredients. And one of them is a positive mind. Christians that become a factor in the unity of the church, they don't have negative minds. They don't have extremely critical minds. They have very biblically positive minds. Philippians 4:8 says, finally, brothers, whatever is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. This is the mind of the individual that under the anointing of God is going to help unite intercessors in prayer, pastors, churches, depending on the calling of God on your life. But you will be a factor for unity. I pray that you will become an ambassador of unity. And for that, you will need to have a very positive, biblically positive mind.